Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more short answer questions of inverse trigonometric function. First question, simplify. Cos inverse 3/5 cos x plus 4/5 sin x, where minus 3/4 less than equal to x less than equal to 3/4 less than equal to x less than equal to pi/4. Solution, we have cos inverse 3/5 cos x plus 4/5 sin x. Let 3/5 is equal to r cos theta, 4/5 is equal to r sin theta. Squaring and adding, we have r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 9/25 plus 16/25 is equal to 25/25 is equal to 1. Therefore, r is equal to 1. And dividing, we have r sin theta over r cos theta is equal to 4/5 into 5/3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 4/3. Theta is equal to tan inverse 4/3. Now, therefore, r is 1, so cos theta is 3/5, sin theta is 4/5 because r is 1. We have already r cos theta 3/5, r sin theta 4/5. We have supposed because r is 1, so cos theta 3/5, sin theta 4/5. Therefore, cos inverse 3/5 cos x plus 4/5 sin x is equal to cos inverse cos x cos theta plus sin x sin theta, which is equal to cos x minus theta, which is equal to cos inverse cos of x minus theta is equal to x minus theta. So x is, theta is tan inverse 4/3. X minus tan inverse 4/3, this is the value of this one, this is the answer. Second question. Prove that tan square secant inverse x plus cot square cosecant inverse x is equal to 11. Proof. Therefore, left hand side is tan square secant inverse x plus cot square cosecant inverse x. Therefore, we change tan square into secant square. You know tan square is secant square theta minus 1. Secant square secant inverse x minus 1 plus cot square is cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square cosecant inverse this is 2, not x, this is 2 and this is 3. This is 2 and this is 3 because we want to get 11. This is 2, this is 3 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 square minus 1 plus 3 square minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 11, which is right hand side. Third question. So in place of x there is 2. Tan statement is tan square secant inverse 2 and plus cot square cosecant inverse 3. Third question. If tan inverse x minus cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 over square root 3, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Solution. We have tan inverse x minus cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 over square root 3. Therefore, tan inverse x, you know cot inverse x is tan inverse 1 over x is equal to tan inverse 1 over square root 3. Tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is tan inverse A minus B over 1 plus AB. Tan inverse x minus 1 over x over 1 plus x into 1 over x is equal to tan inverse 1 over square root 3. So x squared minus 1 over x over 2x is equal to tan of tan inverse square root 3, which is equal to square root 3. Then we cross multiply. By cross multiplying, this is 1 over square root 3. 1 over square root 3, this also 1 over square root 3, cross multiplying. Square root 3 into x square minus 1 is equal to 2x. Square root 3x square minus 2x minus square root 3 is equal to 0. Here A is square root 3, B is minus 2, C is minus square root 3. Therefore, discriminant D is B square minus 4AC minus 2 whole square minus 4 square root 3 into minus square root 3 is equal to 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. Therefore, x is minus b plus minus square root d by 2a. It is 2 plus minus square root 16 over 2 into square root 3 is equal to 2 plus minus 4 over 2 square root 3, 2 minus 4 over 2 square root 3, comma 2 plus 4 over 2 square root 3, which is equal to minus 2 over 2 square root 3, comma 6 over 2 square root 3, which is minus 1 over square root 3 and square root 3. So these are the values of x. Then we take next question, fourth question. Question 4. If tan inverse 2 tan inverse cos theta is equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant theta, then show that theta is equal to pi by 4. Solution, where n is an integer. We have 2 tan inverse cos theta is equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant theta. Therefore, 2 tan inverse theta is tan inverse 2 theta over 1 minus theta square. Tan inverse 2 cos theta over 1 minus cos square theta is equal to tan inverse 2 cosecant theta. Therefore, 2 cos theta over sin square theta is equal to tan of tan inverse 2 cosecant theta is equal to 2 cosecant theta. 2 cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta over sin theta. 2 cancels, which is tan theta is 1, which is tan pi by 4. So theta is pi by 4 proof. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more important questions of short answers as well as long answers, long answers of long answer questions of inverse trigonometric function. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.